Guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out these cat eye gel polishes that a company called Homost was so sweet and kind and generous and sent to me to try out and show you guys. So you get these 6 different cat eye gel polishes and of course the double-sided magnet stick, and I'm going to swatch 5 of these 6 colors. My brother has so generously offered me his hand to swatch these colors. So I'm going to start with the blue. I'm gonna do 2 coats of each. I did already do a coat of peel off base coat for him underneath. I am going to gel top coat these, but I'm gonna do the top coat off camera. I didn't get the Homost base and top. So for this video, I wanted to focus solely on these colored gels for you guys. So like I said, you get 6 gel polishes. 2 of them are a pink-ish color. So we decided to go with one of the pinks, but I will leave a swatch picture of all 6 at the end if you are interested. I will also have a link to these in the description as well for you guys, so if you guys are interested in picking up this gel polish set, you can definitely click on the link and do so. They are available on Amazon and they're like 17 bucks for all 6, so you can't beat that. The consistency is great. As you can see, they are applying super easy. They're not thin, so they're not flooding sidewalls or cuticle area. It's pretty much staying exactly where I put it, and it self levels really nicely. So we get a blue color, a purple, the middle finger he wanted to do the gold, which I actually really love this gold gel. So the first layer with the cat eye gels, you pretty much just want to apply it like a normal polish, and when you get into your second layer of gel, that's when you want to, you know, hold the magnet stick up and give it that cat eye effect. This is going to be a short video, but you guys are going to get a bonus video tomorrow because they actually sent me over these gels as well as a bunch of their dip powders. So you guys are going to see the gel right now, obviously, and then tomorrow you will see the dip powders. But for now, I'm going to let you watch me swatch these on my bro, and I'll be right back. All right, so first coat is done and I gave it a quick 30-second cure, and now is where we can get into having some fun with these gels. I did just do the basic, you know, cat eye effect on him, and I am going to have him flash cure each nail in between just to lock in that design, because obviously it's done with a magnet, so if you let it sit for too long it can kind of disperse back out. So you want to do a quick little flash cure, 10-15 seconds in between, just to lock your design in. But if you have more than one magnet, you can kind of do, I can't remember what it's called. Oh, you can do like the black hole magnetic effect, which I've done in the last cat eye gel video. So that's really cool. So you can kind of get a little jiggy with what designs you do. You can flip this magnet stick around and use the circle end of it and kind of do like a half moon design. So you can really kind of have fun with these magnetic gel polishes. Like I said, they are going on beautifully. They're super smooth. I have no complaints. Zero complaints. I can't wait to actually order some of their other gel polishes because I really like how they applied. They're just beautiful, I think. So you guys will have to let me know what you guys think of these colors so far, but I like them. Or which color is your favorite? Obviously, if I was doing this on myself to wear, you know, out and about, I'd probably just do 1 or 2 colors, but he let me do 5 out of the 6, so my brother is such a good sport. And you will see him in another gel polish video coming up next couple weeks or so. But I will let you guys continue to watch. As far as the magnet goes, you just apply your I can't talk today, y'all. Apply your second coat of the gel, and you want to hold the magnet pretty close to the nail, but you obviously don't want to touch the nail with the magnet. So just as close as you can get without touching, hold it there for 10-15 seconds, and then you're good to go. Quick little flash cure, and it's set and ready to move on. These polishes are so great if you need a quick little 10-15 minute mani. These are great. So I will stop talking and let you guys watch me finish up the cat eye effect here, and I will be right back. Alright, so second coat is done. He's going to cure for another 30 seconds. I went ahead and did a gel top coat off camera just because, like I said, I wanted to focus on the Homost gels. I do have a new favorite gel top coat, and y'all are going to see that very, very soon. It's amazing. But for now, his mani is done, so I'm going to, of course, finish it like I do all of my manis with my Kandi Skincare Cuticle Oil. I have a link for Kandi Skincare down below. If you guys are in need of some cuticle love, you can go purchase from my link and save a couple bucks. But you guys will have to let me know what you guys think of the cat eye gels. Trying to teach them how to take nail fees, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see, and I will see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Bye, guys.